In today's video, I'm making a breaded zucchini marinara. Zucchini is one of my favorite vegetables. I use it in all kinds of recipes, and since I like it more than eggplant, I thought I would try it in place of eggplant in eggplant parmesan, and it was fantastic. Here's how I made it. First, I started making my marinara. Marinara has to be one of the easiest things to make, and you really don't need a recipe. This time though, I thought it would be fun to mimic the ingredients in this tantillo sauce that my son brought home. This is an expensive sauce that he really likes. Now I'll simmer this for a good long while, and I don't usually add sugar to my marinara, but I'm mixing things up, and I'm also following the other jarred marinara. I'm also going to add a little ground oregano to mine. Now I need to make some breadcrumbs to dip my zucchini in, and if you have breadcrumbs, then you can just use those, but I don't, so I'm going to make some with some of this French bread. And I started by toasting the bread, and then just cutting off some chunks, and you can also use a potato masher to help with that. You can either add a little oil and spices into a bowl with the breadcrumbs and mix it all together, or you can toast the breadcrumbs in the pan with the oil and the spices. And I found that that's actually the method that I prefer the best. It seems to give the breadcrumbs the best flavor. And for my seasonings, I like to use garlic salt, dried parsley, and pepper. Now for the breaded zucchini, I cut my zucchini in slices, then dipped it in a beaten egg, and then into the breadcrumbs. This is so delicious. It reminds me of eggplant parmesan, but I actually like this more. I've also made these little zucchini bite-sized pieces in the air fryer that look like this. Those are fun because you can make those any size you want, and they're crunchier than the casserole style where you cover it all with the marinara. Thanks so much for watching my recipe video. I'll see you in the next one.